Hello, hello, and welcome back. So we need to write a function which will calculate the power of a given number. Okay, so power of 2 basically. So what we need to do is we need to return. So whatever the number they have given us, right? So we will have to multiply the number, the 2 by that number. Okay, so if the number is 2, it will be 2 into 2 into 2, right? So that's how we will need to do it. Basically, we can use the math thing as well. Okay, so include, because we will need to use this because we can't be uh, estimating number, right? So we don't know how much they will tell us. Math.h, I think it has a power, right? And the base is 2, and then the thing is num, right? So I think this should do the job, I guess. When we are using the library, POW should work. Yep, it works, right? Let's submit the code. Let's see any innovative ways that other have done it. So we are using the function. What is this? Hmm. Okay, I did not know this operator. Huh? This operator. That's a good one. Other people have done something similar. Right. Okay, that operator, I think it if it squares, that's fine. If this thing is doing it, I know in Python there is a double multiplication sign. So I think this sign maybe works, right, in newer versions, right? But we use the math operator, so maybe this thing is a great solution. Yeah, let's give a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you for your time. I think the best solution is this one. If this sign means power, right? If that sign means power in C, maybe it is, maybe it is not, right? So let's just Google it. You'll find it yourself as well, right? So thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.